Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back to the standard for this channel, which is starting a video in a bonnet. I mean, would I do anything else? Honestly. So, today we are going to be transforming ourselves into a 1960s woman. I have a performance today where I am singing A Sunday Kind of Love by Etta James. So, I'm going to be looking at pictures of Etta, trying to emulate her essence, her beauty, her presence. And our hair is, we're going to do something with that. I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but something's going to happen with the hair. It's not going to be blonde. So sorry. So yeah, just enjoy as I try to transform. Yes, I have already moisturized my lips and my skin. Think we're just going to do a little bit of a setting powder. Then we're going to go into some foundation and conceal, contour, because she has got that long bridge on her nose. She's got a nice highlight. We're going to try to get that. And then we'll do some eyes. So enjoy as I do things to my face. So, face is looking pretty good. Brows are thick, but she good. I think I'm afraid to do my highlight just because I don't want to, like, while I'm doing my eyes, to like mess it up. But you can kind of see, I kind of highlighted my nose a little bit. We're doing something. We're learning. I guess this means learning. So I think I'm just going to do my eyes next, like my eyeshadow and eyeliner. Then I'll come in and do my highlight, just so I'm not like smearing my face, because knowing me, I would. Now I see a lot, she's got like a gold happening. So I'm trying to figure out what color, I've been like swatching, what color to put on the actual lid, because I can't really see it very well. So I'm thinking I'm going to do just like a light peachy, tanny, into maybe like a little bit of a brown, like maybe up here, and then the gold. I think that will do. I've seen a lot of videos and there's just a lot of browns happening in a lot of looks. So that's the plan for the eyes. Then I've got a just like this glittery eyeshadow that I use as a highlight, and I'm going to boop my nose, get my cheeks, do my blush, and then I think we'll be done with the face, and I'll just throw on a red lip. I just bought this yesterday. It's a demi matte called Worthy from CoverGirl. It's very, very red. So that's the plan for that. So yeah. And then I think, I don't know if I'll throw on lashes. I know lower lashes is a thing, but that's where I usually mess up my makeup. So future Alondra, remember to get a tissue. I should just do it now. I'm gonna go do it now. Okay. Alrighty, let's continue. liner comes out looking crazy. So all I'm doing here is taking my angled brush that I used for my eyebrows, and I'm using just a bit of a darker shade of brown and marking out the line I want my liner to make. And then after I am pleased with it, I am just going to take my liner and follow it. Yeah, I'm running out of time, so I'm going to nix the eyelashes. And honestly, in pictures, it doesn't even look like her lashes are that prominent. Oh god, I just got eyeliner on my actual cornea. And my lip. Great. Killing the game. But yeah, so I'm just trying to line my lower lash line, but also blind myself in the process. And yes, it's blue, and now you can see that my eye is turning blue. Science with Alondra. Things not to do with your makeup. Yeah. It's literally just pooling. Okay, wow. Just gonna. Okay, now that I'm done with that, we're gonna try this again. So, like I said, no lashes, but doing my waterline. And I bought this thinking it was going to be like midnight black, but it's actually midnight blue. So, I mean, it doesn't really look blue, which is a good thing. And then it comes, why did I get so close to my eye again? It comes to a point, but just try not to blind yourself, guys. It's not cute, it's not a good look, it's not the vibe that we're going for. Although you think that's what I was going for. So now I'm just going to finish off this makeup with the lips, the highlight on the cheeks, and the blush. You know, I'm gonna come back to that. Okay, here we go. Color me impressed. That's all I have to say. So next is the hair. Ooh, okay, so as you can see, the front of my hair is in curlers, and then the back is just in bantu knots. So I am going to put some finishing spray on, get some oil on my hands, and then take it down and see what it looks like. Alrighty, so I have just been looking at a bunch of different videos of all different eras of hair, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. That's how this is going. Let me keep this back. So 1960s, the afro was really prominent, but there was also some not so afro hairstyles, and I'm trying to go for one of those, but I think that I also kind of got confused with the 40s. So I do see kind of like this like big bang, then like a little, what's it called, a headband, and then the hair is just in the back. So I might go with that. I have like 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the hair. So if I just wanted to do like a little clip, and then a little clip, and then a little clip, and if I clip there, and then if I pull that, This is not going to be era specific, obviously, just because I don't, it's too much. I don't fully know what I'm doing, but it is going to be a vibe, and that's the biggest thing that I'm going for. It's just to get the right vibe. Then I've got these little fun clips from the dollar store. More specifically, the Dollar Tree. Let's see, do I want one over here? Or do I want two? Oh, this is such a look. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm going to put on my dress now. I am so pleased with how this look turned out. I know I forgot my mole and it's not completely era specific, but in total I was really happy with my makeup and the outfit and the hair. So if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more transformations and just fun videos. Alright, see you in the next one.